Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your primary email on Google Workspace. It's a simple process that only takes a few minutes, and by the end, you'll have your new primary email set up correctly. Whether you're updating it for personal reasons or business purposes, this step-by-step guide will help you do it smoothly. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google Workspace. Sign in using an account that has administrative privileges, since only admins can change the primary email address. Once you're logged in, head over to the admin console. From the dashboard, click on Account. This section contains the core settings related to your organization. Next, select Account Settings. Inside this area, look for the Profile section. This is where your main account details and contact information are stored. Within the Profile section, click on Contact Info. Here, you'll find the option to change the primary admin email address. Now, enter the new email address you want to set as your primary email. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any issues with notifications or account access. After entering the new email address, click Save. This step is crucial because it confirms and applies the changes. Without saving, your new email won't be updated. And that's it. You've successfully changed your primary email on Google Workspace. Keep in mind that updating your primary email can affect how you receive important notifications, so double-check everything once the change is complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more easy-to-follow guides. Thanks for watching.